What is up, everyone? My name is Sean. Again, hi. Today we're gonna be doing another Leetcode video. I I literally just woke up a few hours ago. I'm still trying to recover because I still have this cough, and it's really bad. I have a cold as well. I've been taking a lot of medicine. I don't know if I have my medicine right here in hand. That's not even here right now, but I've been taking a lot of Lemsip and Strepsils to kind of help with my cold. But yeah, so we're gonna continue with today's problem. Gonna try and keep it quick. Real quick, give me 1 second. Let me. Right, there we go. Sorry, I'm back, guys. Okay, so let's try and keep today's problem quick. I think yesterday I was streaming live and I did the diamonds of a binary tree. Yeah, so we're trying to do balanced binary tree today. Which is an interesting one. We're soon gonna start getting into the medium, guys. Who's excited? Yay! Advent of code is coming up soon. My exams are also coming up soon, so I'm probably gonna have to slow down on the videos a bit, try and lock in, try and get 100% on that, and yeah, let's lock in. So I think I already started doing this on stream, but I never actually continued because I had to do something yesterday. But yeah, okay, so given the binary tree, determine if it's high balanced. I believe we have to check what high balance means, and it means the depth of two subtrees of every node never differ more than one, okay? So this is high balance because the maximum depth here is 1, this is 2, and yeah, so it's fine, right? So this one is kind of two subtrees, okay. So that means it doesn't even have to be from the roots as well. Yeah, so it's like a thing where, yeah, we're kind of like we define like it takes in a root. Yeah, so it's kind of like that, right? And we kind of want to do this, right? So we kind of want to do this balanced on the root dot left. Sorry, we want to. Sorry, should be max depth. Is that correct? Yeah, I think this is correct. Yeah, because we're cutting the depth of each one. Yeah, so it's nice. Okay, so that's a really nice problem. So I didn't really talk too much. I was trying to lock in. I wanted to keep this video kind of short because I have to go rest. But yeah, the idea is we're trying to get a depth of the roots, right? And we kind of get the depth of the roots by going all the way on the left and all the way on the right, and then that'll give us some kind of depth. And then if the left and the right differ by more than one, we return false. And then we kind of want to make sure that this is true for both our left and right subtrees as the roots. So we do the exact same thing on both of them as the roots. And yeah, so just to actually confirm, so I'm going to actually print out left and val because I actually want to see something. Yeah, and the time complexity is linear because yeah, we're only visiting all the nodes once. Right, so yeah, it's correct. Yeah, so time complexity is linear. Yeah, because because this would be return 1. Yep. Yeah, so the time complexity is linear. Space complexity is right. The recursive calls, obviously, recursion is using stack. It's also linear because we're making recursive calls on the stack. But yeah, linear time, linear space. Right. Before I actually I actually want to just check something real quick. Give me 1 second, guys. So yeah, so we have 3 here. When we do call this function, it's going to call the root as this. It's going to call the left and the right. That returns 1. So that would actually return 1 up here. So the left here is actually going to be 0, 0, 0, and that's going to be 1. So it's going to be 1, and it's going to be 2. Because and then okay, So yeah, so that's kind of the problem. It's pretty straightforward. Just trying to find the height of the left and the right and compare the difference in the heights between the left and the right, and if any of them are bigger than 1. I didn't even time myself. Did it show the time? When did I last do this problem even? I did October 20th. Yeah, so what did I do last time? Very curious to see what I did last time. Oh, I did the exact same thing. I actually did the exact same thing. Did I do the same thing here as well? Yeah, I did the exact same thing. Yup. What did I do the first time that made me fail? What? Yeah, it doesn't really matter. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one, and I'll see you guys. Remember to pray. I'll get closer to God, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.